I've explored resorts across the globe, but there's something unmistakably wild and wonderful about Vikingen Infinity Resort and Spa in Alanya, Turkey. It's not the kind of place that whispers luxury. It shouts it with flashing lights, gold details, and a lobby that looks like it was designed by someone who binge-watched every season of a royal drama. But somehow, it works. When I first walked in, I wasn't sure if I was checking into a resort or stepping onto the set of an extravagant show. And honestly, I was into it. The vibe here is unapologetically bold. Big chandeliers, grand staircases, mirrors everywhere. This place wants you to know you've arrived somewhere extra. My room was spacious and had everything I needed. Comfy bed, cold AC, trust me, you'll need it, and a balcony with a sea view that made every sunrise worth waking up early for. The minibar was restocked daily. Free drinks always earn bonus points in my book. Now, about the food. You've got one main buffet restaurant and several a la carte options if you want to change it up. The buffet was always full of choices, from Turkish classics to international comfort food. Was everything perfect? Number. But it was fresh, plentiful, and nobody's walking away hungry. Pro tip, try the fresh guzlim near the pool. It's made by hand, and it's addictive. Entertainment is a big deal here. Every night there's a show. Some nights it's live music, other nights it's dancing or themed performances. It's a hit with families and couples alike, and while some acts were a little over the top, it all adds to the energy of the place. During the day, the pools are the heart of the resort. They're huge, clean, and surrounded by loungers, though you'll want to reserve early. There are slides, too. Great for kids, and yes, even better for adults who still think they're 12 inside. The beach, while beautiful, is a bit rocky, so water shoes are your friend here. One highlight for me, the spa. The traditional Turkish hammam was relaxing and very well done. If you've never had a full scrub and foam massage, don't leave without booking one. Bottom line, this is not a quiet, intimate resort for people looking for zen. This is where you go when you want fun, sun, and big vacation energy. It's lively, full of families, music, and movement. If you love bold resorts with personality and don't mind a bit of noise in exchange for great value, you'll enjoy every minute here.